Atoms. What do you mean by atoms, guys? An atom is the smallest part of an element that takes part in a chemical reaction. The properties of an element depends upon the atoms constituting the element. Atoms usually do not exist independently. Valency, the combining capacity of an element. What is valency? The combining capacity of an element with other elements is known as its valency. The valency of hydrogen is considered to be 1. One atom of chlorine combines with one atom of hydrogen to form one molecule of hydrogen chloride. So the valency of chlorine is 1. On the other hand, an atom of zinc displaces two atoms of hydrogen from an acid. So the valency of zinc is 2. Elements with valencies 1, 2, 3, etc. are said to be monovalent, divalent or trivalent and so on. What is molecules, guys? Atoms usually do not exist independently and tend to combine among themselves to form molecules. Then what is the definition of molecules, guys? A molecule is the smallest part of an element or a compound that can exist independently. When an atom of an element combines with another atom of the same element, a molecule of the element is formed. For example, two atoms of hydrogen, oxygen or nitrogen combine to form a molecule of the element. But a molecule of a noble gases like helium, neon, argon, krypton or xenon contains only one atom of the element. When a noble gas atom exists independently, for example, sample of the gas, it is called a molecule. When atoms of two or more elements combine among themselves, a molecule of a compound results. For example, two atoms of hydrogen combine with one atom of oxygen to form a molecule of water. A molecule of water can exist independently. What is atomicity? The number of atoms contained in a molecule of an element or a compound is called its atomicity. A molecule of a noble gas like helium, neon, argon contains only one atom of element. Hence, the molecule of these elements are represented as He, Ne and Ar. These gases are said to be monoatomic. However, a molecule of hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen or chlorine contains two atoms of element. They are called diatomic and are represented as H2, N2, O2 and Cl2. A common example of a triatomic gas is ozone, O3. The atomicity of phosphorus is P4 and that of sulfur is S8. A molecule having an atomicity greater than 2 called a polyatomic molecule. Thus O3, P4 and S8 are polyatomic molecules.